Assalamu alaikum. I am Yusuf Abdullah Mahfuz, and now I am going to demonstrate the user interface that we have designed for our project of the course Human and Computer Interaction. So we have developed an app for a postage company called EcoRap. So in the interface we can see that there is an app just beside the iTunes store in the display. So we enter into the EcoRap application, and after entering into the application it says that the user need to log in. So if the user already have an account, he can enter into the application by using his username and password, and if the user does not have any username and password, he just easily create one by using the sign up button. And if the user do not want anything, so he just can press the guest button, so he will be logged in as a guest. So we enter our username and password and click the login button. This is the first page of our application, and it is showing that we have several options. One is e-checking, shipping, rates, job searching, and contact us. So if we click into the contact us button, it will give us a form, and the user need to input his credentials, and by clicking the submit button it will show the message, thank you for contacting us. And another one is job searching. Job searching or the job seeker is one of our persona. So when someone is looking for job, he just can enter into our application and he can find out several job listings here. Let's say product designer. So it is showing that all the required informations. For example, it is a part-time job and it will pay 30 ringgit per hour, etc, etc. And by clicking the apply now button, the user can apply directly. So if we click in the apply now button, it said that congratulations, you have successfully applied for this job. And now clicking the back button, we came again the main page. So if we want to calculate the rate, so by clicking the rate button, it will calculate and show the converted rate. For example, if we want to know the rate for a domestic shipment, we need to enter the postcode, location, state name, and by clicking the calculate button it will just give the calculation. And our company also offer international shipment, so the user need to select his country and input weight and so on to get the approximate estimation. And another two left, one is e-tracking and shipping. So if we enter into the shipping, that means that someone wants to send something from state A to state B, so he or she need to enter information such as type of parcel, estimated weight, and estimated shipping rate will come automatically. Then he or she need to click the next button to proceed further on, and need to fill in the shipper's information forms such as name, contact number, address, email address, and he or she need to click the next button, need to fill in the recipient informations, email address, next. Finally, it is proceeding towards the payment option. So now we need to input the name of the date from and to. So it will actually shows the duration, how long it will take to reach the parcel from place 1 to place 2. Proceed to next. Now it is showing the payment method. Our application supports several payment options such as Apple Pay, Visa, Google Pay, PayPal, MasterCard, or even the user can use our voucher system. So by clicking the voucher button, the system automatically shows the available voucher points and how much point the user need to pay the service and so on. So it is showing that the user have 1758 points available, and at the bottom it said that redeem 1250 points to get free service. So by clicking the redeem reward, the payment will be successfully made. Now we go back to the home button and proceed to the e-checking option. So the e-checking means the user will track whenever or where the parcel is. So it will show the status of the postage, and it is saying that the parcel is delivered successfully on 20 July 2019, and it is also showing history. Several history is being displayed, and we have some more options. We have my profile option, bank account option, notification option, reward and point, help, reference, settings. We check the my profile option first. This is basically a details option for the user's information. So here where the user can input his name, email address, password, date of birth, address, etc. He also can update their information. And another option is reward and point. So basically it is showing that the user have earned total 4164 points, and the available point is 1758, and the third one is 2406. This is the point the user have used, and moreover our consumer can redeem their points in some very popular e-commerce applications such as Lazada, Shopee, Zalora, and so on. By clicking the Lazada, our system will generate a barcode, and using the barcode our user can redeem the point outside of our system. And we also have a settings button, and finally we have a logout option too. And we already have done our interview session with some respective users. They have figured out some problems, and we also solved those problems. So we have scrutinized all the problems and figured some problems that are actually relatable with our persona. The first one, someone is detected that the history button was not working previously, but we fixed it and now it is showing the history records. The next problem is okay, it did not have input or example on how it works. So now we have updated the system and it is showing that demo input is entered. Our problem 3 was related to bill. So at first it was not showing that how much points should be redeemed to get the free service, but later on we have updated it and now it is showing that redeem 1250 points to get free services. Our fourth problem was the back button at the top left of the screen was not working, but later on we have solved the problem and the back button is working now. The next problem was there were no option to reset the password or in case the user forgot their credentials. So there is no forgot password option, but now we have implemented a forgot password option. And next, there was an error in our system. For example, if someone logged in as guest, it is said it was displaying a random email address, but now the problem is fixed and it is showing that you are a guest and you are logged in as a guest. We have few more problems also. Okay, this one is something that we have talked before. The back button is not working in shipment option, so we have fixed it now. And another problem was after filling all the shippers information, the back button was not working. We have also fixed it. So there were some problems regarding the back button, and throughout the system we have fixed all the problems. The final one was that there were no email option, and We have updated the system, and now the my profile option is asking for email addresses. So that's all for me, and I hope I have successfully demonstrated the system and our developed UI. Thank you for watching.